introduce yourself to
Yeah,
us?
I am Rajesh Acharya.
Alright.
I have joined Acma
Okay.
almost completed my course.
Okay. So, how was the experience with Acma?
Acma, in fact, it is a great institute, and I've gone to some other institute to find out how others are working. But I found that Acma staff and even the teachers, the way they are teaching, and even attending the demo classes, which I found it was interesting, and I feel that Acma can give us a good experience.
So you had certain expectations from Acma Tech.
Definitely, I had some expectation because I am going to start a shop in Dubai, with mobile repairing and laptop repairing.
Nice.
And I need to gather some technical knowledge because I am not from a technical background. And the Acma Tech has given me all those experience what is required. And I feel that the technical knowledge is required for me and the staff also. And I think I already got that kind of experience, and even I can go one step further. I can even teach some people also how to find out the quality.
Okay. So in the classroom, how is the environment? How is it with the teacher and with the students?
Yeah, in the classroom, in fact, all the staff is very good. All the teaching staff, including Mr. Ravi sir, in fact, they teach us very well. And the way they are teaching, immediately we understand all the things over there. The staff is also very good. All the students are around me also very good.
Nice. And how is the equipment in the class? The equipment that you utilize?
In fact, they taught us all the equipment which is required to repair the mobile phones and the laptop. And we had hands-on practice of all those equipment also, and we are very comfortable.
Alright, so you can say that you've had 100% experience.
Yes. And definitely you require all the practical knowledge also, that's one part.
Right.
And the best thing is that the Acma Tech has also assured us, even in the future also, if we come across any problem, they are there to support us.
Right. Is there anything else that you would like to share about your experience?
In fact, that's what I said, that Acma Tech is a great institution. I would always advise everybody to use this particular institution. And they give us all the experience and the kind of confidence what they give you, even if you are not from a technical background.
Alright, so thank you so much. It was a pleasure meeting you.
Thank you very much.